Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to learn election vocabulary. I'm doing this while I'm walking around because I'm trying to put my baby to sleep. Okay, so bear with me here. Without wasting any time, let's get to it. First thing first is ballot, a document used to cast a vote in an election. This is called talama. Ke pampitshana e dirisiwang go tlhopha mo ditlhophong. Then we have candidate, a person who seeks election. In Setswana we say ntlhopheng, motho yo o batlang go tlhophiwa. Then we have election day, the day on which election takes place. Letsatsi la ditlhopho, letsatsi le le beilweng gore ditlhopho di diragale ka lone. And then we have incumbent, a person who's currently holding a political office. Mofologi, I think this one I made it up. Motho yo ga jana a tshwereng maemo a sepolotiki. Then we have polls, places where people go to cast their vote. Matlhophelo, mafelo a batho ba yang ka gone go ya go tlhopha. And then we have voter, a person who is registered to vote and eligible to cast a ballot. Motlhophi, motho yo kwadisitsweng go tlhopha ebile a tshwanelwa ke go tlhopha. A specific election type. Oh, my son is just... Xavier, can I record this for a second? Okay. Specific election types. We have general election, an election held to choose candidates for public office. This is what will be happening in Botswana by the end of this month. Mefuta e rileng ya ditlhopho. Ditlhopho tsa kakaretso, those are general elections. Ditlhopho tse di tshwarwang go tlhopha bontlhopheng ba maemo a puso. And then we have primary election, an election to choose candidates for a party's nomination. Like in Botswana, we have BDP, UDC, BCP, BPF, BNF. I don't know if BNF still, yeah, males. Shout out to males. Anyway, primary election, ditlhopho tsa motheo, ditlhopho tsa go tlhopha bontlhopheng ba lekoko or ba party. Midterm election, I added this one just for my American friends because in Botswana there's no such thing. An election held in the middle of a president's term. Ditlhopho tsa fa gare, ditlhopho tse di tshwarang mo bogareng jwa paka ya ga taotona. These are, I think, specifically for the president. And then we have by-elections. This happens a lot in Botswana because once like a member of council passes away or chooses to resign, then we have by-elections. An election held to fill a vacancy in an office. Ditlhopho tsa taletso, ditlhopho tse di tshwarang go tlatsa phatla mo ofising. Okay, that's it for now. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Also, I apologize for my movements for those of you who are disturbed. I think this works because the boy is sleepy. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.